It's the Aspiring Actors Guide to New York.
Yeah. Today we're talking about creating your own work. I was listening to Armchair Expert with Dax Shepard recently, and he had Allison Tolman on his show from the television show Fargo. Allison Tolman, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't watched Fargo, I highly recommend you check it out. Show's killer. Anyway, they were talking about how did she keep going with the industry after so many years and not having booked anything as huge as Fargo. She said, you need to let your involvement with your art form evolve. Sometimes you're going to find yourself in the middle of a dry spell. It's a cyclical industry. People are going to be throwing work at you one minute. You're going to be like, I can't do all of this. And the next minute, you're going to be hurting and working at your survival job, going to auditions and not booking anything. That's just kind of the way it works. So what can you do when you're not currently booked? This is where her advice, I think, comes in really handy. Let your involvement with your industry evolve. You got to find something to scratch that artistic itch. Try your hand at writing. Study your favorite TV shows, your favorite movies, and find out what you like about them. And then try to write something that you would enjoy watching. Write TV pilots and movies that you think you and your friends could shoot. Maybe you don't think you have the expertise to shoot something yourself. Check out masterclass.com. You can learn comedy from Steve Martin and Judd Apatow, writing from Aaron Sorkin, Shonda Rhimes, and David Mamet, directing from Ron Howard, filmmaking from Martin Scorsese, Werner Herzog, and Spike Lee, acting from Helen Mirren or Samuel L. Jackson. Or if it's the technical aspect, not necessarily the artistic aspect that you're worried about. I don't know how to work a camera. Check out lynda.com. You can get a free 30-day trial. I'm in no way affiliated, so I'm not trying to be like, ooh, try this thing and I'll get some smashback. Some smashback? What is smashback? I don't know. Or you can try to listen to podcasts to better understand the industry. I really like Broadway Radio, Theater People, The Ensemblist, The Producer's Perspective. Those are all theater podcasts. They're also like film and TV podcasts you can listen to. Armchair Expert with Dax Shepard is one of my favorite podcasts right now. My wife told me for months that I needed to check out this podcast, and I didn't listen to her. And now it's my favorite. And then Paper Team. Paper Team is great if you're trying to get into writing. If you're a dancer, maybe you should try your hand at choreographing and shooting some music videos with your buds. Oh, Kyle, I don't have a camera. I can't shoot anything. Do you have a phone? The cameras on these things are incredible now. You can shoot incredible footage on an iPhone. You know, go to the gym, take an acting class, take a dance class, take a voice lesson. All of those things are productive. We should be doing those all the time anyway. Am I good at doing that? No. But this episode brought to you by Coca-Cola. I wonder if I can get in trouble for saying that. I don't know. The point is, you just got to do something that scratches that artistic itch. Dax Shepard said, productivity leads to self-esteem, which leads to you going into the room not desperate to book a job, because if you don't book this, you're not gonna feed yourself. Then you can go into the room without the stakes being so high. You can audition with the goal of not necessarily booking, but just showing more people what you're capable of. If auditioning is still scaring the crap out of you, you can tell yourself, this isn't an audition. I like acting. I'm going to go into this room and I'm going to do some acting for a few minutes. And then I'm going to go home and do some writing or do something else artistic to scratch that itch and to feed that fire and to get better at your craft. By understanding the other aspects of the industry, you're going to improve your value in the industry. Or maybe find a passion that you didn't know you had. Maybe you thought that you loved acting more than anything in the world. But no, I want to be a camera op. Or I really like setting up lighting. Like, you never know what other passions you're going to find by trying the other aspects in the industry. You may find that you're a writer and not an actor. If you like this video, please write in the comments below and subscribe and like it if you will. I'll be releasing new videos like this every Theater Thursday at 3. Thanks for coming out. Chase your dreams.